In this video, you will learn how solutions that you want to any challenge, any issue at hand, any problem are all made inside a conversation. कैसे वो solutions मिलेंगे और उसके लिए किन conversations की बात मैं कर रही हूँ is what we are going to talk. So stay on right until the end if you want to get those quick solutions. Hi, I'm Aska Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now an author and a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Hit the like button if you're able to relate with this video. Also subscribe to the channel if you've not done it already. So every time you are stuck, आपको लगता है कि कहीं पर रुके हुए हो, समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या इसका solution होगा, और साथ में ये भी लगता है कि जल्दी से बाहर निकलना है. It's too much of a pain. I really want to get rid of it. I want to come out powerful, right? Or let's say jahan stuck ho, there is another person who's involved, or there's a group of people who are involved. It could be your team, it could be maybe one colleague of yours, it could be your boss, right? Or maybe a subordinate, a team member. तो जिसके साथ भी आप रुके हुए हो, आप करते क्या हो typically? Challenge है, you think the other person is not doing X, Y, this is not how it's supposed to be done. I've told him so many times, I don't see any hope, nothing is happening. Let me just see what can be done. तो एक तरफ struggle चालू है, क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे समझाऊं, क्या बदलूं कि चीजें बदल जाएं. दूसरी तरफ यहाँ पर भी struggle चालू है. All of this is a struggle that's going on here. Everything is a struggle that's going on here. You are thinking and overthinking and overanalyzing and you're just going on and on. चल रहा है. Ground पे reality में कर क्या रहे हो उसके लिए? Well, a lot of times you don't even talk to that person. You don't even let him know that, hey, this is what is causing the pain, it's stuck, this is how I'm feeling, and all those things, right? Because you feel that you've already spent too much time, it's not working out, or even if you strike that conversation, it's only going to backfire, nothing much is going to come out of it. और आप नहीं करते हो. Now here's something I want to let you know, that you can turn around the situation by striking a conversation. And when I say conversation, it doesn't mean like a 15-minute conversation where you go and you just virtually vomit everything, or maybe face-to-face also, and you just say out whatever you have to say to the other person. What I mean by striking a conversation is that you take that time off, you put it on the calendars, you tell the other person, you sit down with a cup of coffee and you spend maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours if need be, or maybe 1 hour discussing the whole thing, sharing and listening to the other person, right? So when you have that conversation, you will see things starting to come up, access starting to build up. अच्छा ऐसे भी हो सकता है, अच्छा ये ऐसा सोच रहा है, oh, this is what he's going through, this part I missed out. You will get so many insights, and together you will be able to come at a mutually comfortable, acceptable action point, if not the solution really. You'll know कि next step ये करके देखते हैं, right? So a lot of things are at play here. One is to be able to listen, the other is to trust people with the challenges, not just stay alone, walk up to them in times of difficulties. What is needed is to strike that conversation, to have that conversation. Don't run away from that. You may feel it's useless, it's pointless. Anyway, what is happening? और actually क्या हो रहा है? अगर आप नहीं भी कर रहे हो तो भी क्या हो रहा है? यहीं पे तो खेलते जा रहे हो. Instead, करके देख लो. Have that conversation and see it for yourself. Yeah, I hope you found this meaningful. You were able to see कि आपकी लाइफ में कहाँ पर you resist those conversations. You think there'll be a time waste. You think it's not going to yield anything. And because there'll be more pain, there'll be greater pain when you have that conversation. So to avoid that pain, you think, let it be. Let me only figure out what can be done. Yeah. So consider you may have to do that conversation once, maybe twice, maybe thrice, but getting into a conversation is the only way you will be able to come at or arrive at the next step, next action point, or even solutions at times. Yeah. So go ahead, try this out, and do share with me in the comment box your experiences, because action is all that matters. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I am going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.